How to log in Indian Bank credit card online. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel, How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Indian Bank credit card online. To do so, first of all, you will need to go to the official Indian Bank website. For that, you will need to open any web browser on your device first. Here I have launched my Chrome browser. Now once on the browser, in the address bar, type indianbankcreditcard.in. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Indian Bank Credit Card. Here in the right side, you will find the login interface. If this is your first time logging into your account, you need to click on this first time login just below sign in button, and from there you need to follow the instructions and log into your account. Now if this is not your first time login, you need to click on this first box at the top and there enter your user ID or the card number. Once you have entered your user ID, in the second box you need to enter your password. Make sure you enter the correct password here in order to access your account. If in case you don't remember your password, you can also click on this forgot password option and recover your password by following the instructions given to you. And if you have forgotten your user ID, you may click on this reset user ID just below exit button and follow the prompts to recover your user ID. If in case your user ID has been blocked, you will also get the option to unblock it by clicking on this unblock user ID option just below first time login option. By doing so, you will be able to recover your credentials. Now once you have entered the details in this box, in the third box, you need to enter the characters exactly as in this box. Here click on this box and now enter the characters or the numbers as shown in this box. If in case you don't understand the numbers presented in this box, you may also click on this new button right next to it and then it will generate a new one. And then you can enter this new characters. Now once you have entered these characters, go ahead and click on the sign in button and then you will be able to log into your Indian Bank credit card online. So by following these steps, you should be able to log into your Indian Bank credit card online. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.